how to see someone's latest followers on Instagram. First, open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on your followers count to open the list. Instagram shows followers in chronological order, so the newest followers appear at the top. To check someone else's recent followers, go back to the home page and tap the search icon. Type the username you want to check, select their profile, and tap on their following. Again, the most recent followers will be at the top of the list. Keep in mind, if the account has a large follower count, Instagram may limit how far you can scroll back, but you can use the search bar at the top to find specific users. And that's how you check the latest followers on Instagram. Quick tip, this works for both public and private accounts you follow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Knoll Tech for more Instagram tutorials.